Today we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu Coin and its recent explosion, why this happened, and much more. Let's get into this video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Real quick, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu coins you have, how many you want to have, and then also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. I'd also like to thank everyone for coming out to our live stream last night. We talked about Shiba Inu Coin, why it was up so much. We can do that more often to just kind of talk about what's happening at the moment, more up-to-date live events that are going on with Shiba Inu Coin. If you guys are interested in joining one of those live streams, go ahead and subscribe. We will be posting that an hour before each live stream, so you guys will know when it's happening. But yeah, if you guys are interested in some free money, go ahead and get signed up with Public, the social investing app, with the first link in the description. When you deposit $1, you're going to get up to $70 worth of free stock, so you might as well do that with the first link in the description. Here we are on public.com. You can see that you can follow us at It's Finance Bros, see our portfolio, our long-term portfolio, and see why we invest in stuff. So use that first link in the description. But also, we have a Finance Bro NFT. We are currently working on making a new collection, so if you guys are interested in getting involved in our NFTs, then go ahead and click the link in the description that says Finance Bro NFT. But yeah, anyways, let's get into the news for Shiba Inu Coin today. So here we are on StockTwits.com, and we can see that Shiba Inu Coin is the most active stock on StockTwits, even though it's a Monday. Usually stocks trend most on Mondays because now you can start trading stocks again. Obviously you can't trade them on the weekend, but Shiba Inu Coin takes that first overall most active cryptocurrency or stock for the day, because it's up 13% on some pretty cool news that we talked about in the live stream, but we will talk about that more later. And then Shiba Inu Coin, obviously number 2 on the most added to watch list. Fuel Cell Energy is number 1 because they had some cool news. But anyways, here we are on Lunar Crush, and Shiba Inu Coin is trending number 1 on Lunar Crush, which is a super good sight to see. They haven't been trending on Lunar Crush in a minute, but they are now. You can see here that the social volume, so this blue line is basically how much a cryptocurrency is being talked about, and you can see that the social volume is absolutely peaking and exploding right now. We talked about a bunch of technical analysis in the live stream. We're going to at the end of this video as well, but I'd just like to say, like, right now as we speak, and this video is going to go up ASAP, we are kind of peaking with the amount of social volume that's happening with Shiba Inu Coin currently. Okay, I know you're probably wondering, hey, what the heck happened with Shiba Inu Coin? Like, why is it up so much? Well, Elon Musk basically tweeted a picture of a dog and a rocket ship emoji. Now, we can make the leap that he was talking about Shiba Inu Coin because, first of all, he has a Shiba Inu puppy, and that is kind of the reason what set off a bunch of events with Shiba Inu Coin. But he does have a Shiba Inu puppy, and he put the rocket ship emoji, which is normally kind of considered a crypto-like analogy for going to the moon. So this is basically saying Shiba Inu Coin is going to the moon. And Elon Musk obviously has a lot of rapport with people because he has 314,000 likes and 43,000 retweets. So this is obviously a lot from the Shiba Inu community. They took this as a sign, hey, we need to start buying Shiba Inu again. We're about to break out of this bull flag and all of that. So overall, Shiba Inu is doing extremely good because of this. This is kind of the catalyst that set off the 13% in gains that we're seeing today. Now, if you were at the live stream yesterday, you would know we talked about the bull flag that was happening after this whole Elon Musk thing that happened. We literally saw it break out of it mid live stream. So if you guys are gonna want to go watch that, it's actually still video. It's the 27-minute video we posted yesterday. But we talked about this. Well, there is actually a larger macro trend going on right now that someone mentioned in this, and it's a bull pennant. But basically, Shiba Inu eyes much wow 90% breakout as Shib paints a textbook bull pattern. So let's go over this bull pattern. The Shiba Inu market is a very strong bull market in 2021, and one major continuation pattern is on its longer time frame charts highlights the scope for an additional 90% upside moving ahead. In detail, Shib rose over 1,200 to date. We don't want to go over all this, but bulls started accumulating Shib near the low level. A rebound ensued, and the price rallied over 55%. Obviously, this is talking about what really just happened. And the Shib price kept forming lower highs and higher lows in the next sessions, forming a triangle structure that appeared as a bull pennant. Analysts treat pennants as bullish continuation patterns, i.e. their formation coupled with declining trading volumes tends to send prices in the direction of their previous trend by as much as the height of the previous rally, also known as the flagpole. So if you guys didn't know what a bull pennant is basically there is a big flagpole, and this was the recent basically explosion we had with Shiba Inu Coin just a couple of weeks ago, and obviously they just had this massive run up. So you can see this flagpole right here, and then they had a pennant. So basically we've been trading and the volume has been declining, and you can form this pennant, and then as soon as it breaks out of this pennant, which is what we're basically trying to accomplish right now, as soon as we break out of this pennant, we will expect another flagpole that is as high as the previous flagpole that was made. So that is how they come to the 90% gains prediction right here, is because they will go up from here to the next flagpole, which is at around 0.00005, which would be about 90% in gains, which would be absolutely amazing, and I'm pretty sure it's going to happen. But yeah, they go over the rest of the macro fundamentals, but we go over that on a daily basis. So subscribe if you guys want to know like everything that happens with Shiba Inu Coin. But yeah, here we are on the coinmarketcap.com. You can see the global crypto market is up to 2.47 trillion, a 0.35% increase over the last day, and you can see that Shiba Inu Coin has reclaimed that 19th spot above Algorand, which is a very, very good cryptocurrency. So the fact that we're above Algorand and Polygon is super good. We can see here that the volume is up over 300%, and I've been saying volume is a bit of a problem, but over the last day, obviously with the Elon Musk tweet, people have been starting to put their money back into this thing, and we have finally broken this resistance at the 29 level, and we are looking to break out of this pennant that has been forming over the last few days. So yeah, basically this pennant we're about to break out of, and we are about to make our next leg up on the flagpole, I believe anyways. Taking a quick look at the historical data, you can see that we have been trading between about 2 and 4 billion for the past week basically, but today we're trading about 4.5 billion, which is what leads me to believe we are about to break out of this bull pennant and absolutely start crushing it again, maybe even get into the top 15. But yeah, that is pretty much all I have for today. So if you guys got any value or entertainment out of the video, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe, and make sure that you also comment how many Shiba Inu coins you have. Just like to remind you guys that we do have a promotion going on with Public, so if you guys deposit $1, you're going to get up to $70 worth of free stock on Public. We are going to be minting some new NFTs. A new collection is coming soon. It will have utility, so if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and subscribe and wait for that announcement. But other than that, I believe that's all we have for today. So that's going to be it. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.